go out another way. This is the mall. A lot of shops here, American brands, Villas, everything. Flamingo and all. But I'm gonna leave now. Jeff is a very popular brand here. Jeff, as you can see. And I'm gonna walk out at the far end here on the left. So in Artes, if you're here and you want to buy stuff like paints, paint brushes, and stuff like that with art related stuff, as you can see, and all of this, you can come here to Todo en Artes. And they always promote vehicles here. Down there you can see the little things. Nice. Mimo's ice cream over there. Delicious ice cream. Mimo's. This is the food court, but as you can see, it's pretty dead right now. And it's almost lunchtime. And they have it closed off. You can't really go in that easily. Very famous meat buñuelos and all that. We got a Burger King here. Burger King. So now I have left the shopping center here, the mall. I have left it. And I'm gonna just continue walking around, showing you what I can. This is the external part. And they got a lot of restaurants. If you want something very modern, something very nice, and you want to live here for a while, 6 months out of the year, come on down and enjoy it. Come on. I was just keeping a low voice in there, and I kind of let it carry over into coming outside. It's just I didn't want to attract the attention of the security guards, because sometimes they get a little cranky because you're filming inside private property. I just want to be able to show you everything. Oh, this is the nice area over there. I forgot about that. Let me walk this way and let me show you what we have over there. Here in beautiful Rionegro. Rionegro also has a part that they're very famous for in terms of working with wood, making wooden chairs, wooden this, wooden that, whatever. And we're walking towards that area right now. We're walking to it. So you guys are loving it. This is the San Nicolas shopping center here in Rionegro. So that's a little sign right there for the crosswalk. And that's a noisy ass vehicle. And you got the other stores here on the outside. Home Center is like a Home Depot in the United States. Home Center, where you could buy all kinds of construction material or for remodeling. And some of the little old houses that never sold out, right there. Some families that said, nah, we're not gonna sell out. We're not gonna leave. Wow, let me do something here. No, I can't do it. But over there, there's a little sign that says, se arrienda apartamento, a little apartment for rent, like that little neighborhood that remained, that didn't sell out. Look at that. All among the modern things here. And those are some housing complexes over there, houses right next to the mall. And look at it. That's San Nicolas Shopping Center. And towards that way is San Antonio Pereira. So here I want to show you all this area here. I'm going to take my sweet time and do it so you guys can see this is Rionegro. So look at this. I'm gonna stop talking for a few moments and you just observe, just watch, look. Oops, sorry. Remember, D1, tiendas D1, de uno, de todos. You can go in these places and get very cheap food to buy, to take home to your little mini fridges if you're staying in some room that you're renting out or an apartment. And usually they have a lot of stuff that they sell at a lower price, and it's pretty good quality too. You know, like milk, avena, yogurt, cereal, snacks, a lot of stuff like that, cheese.